Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll do some percentage practice. We look at problems that cover the basics of percentages. So let's begin. Question 1. For each of these questions, I'd like you to pause the video at this stage and try them. And then when you have an answer, unpause the video and see if you got it right. Okay, the right answer for this question is option C. What is 35% of AB if B is 200% of A, right? So B is 200% of A, which is 2A, right? So B is 2A. So 35% of AB can be written as 0.35 into A into 2A. So that's 0.7A squared. So this is true. I can also write 35% of AB as 0.35 into B by 2 into B, right? Because I can write A as B by 2. So that's 0.175 B squared, right? Because 0.35 by 2 would be 0.175. So this is also true. Either 1 or 2 is correct. It can be written in either form. Okay. Okay. This question. So the right answer for this question is option C, 53. A drought decreased the amount of water in city X's reservoirs from 118 million gallons. So it went down from 118 million gallons to 96 million gallons, right? So this was the decrease in the water. If the reservoirs were at 79% of total capacity before the drought began, so this was 79% of capacity, approximately how many million gallons were the reservoirs below capacity after the drought? So let's say the capacity is X, then 79% of X is 118. So when you plug that in the calculator, X will be 118 into 100 by 79, which comes to 149.4, right? So the total capacity of the reservoir is 149.4 million gallons. And after the drought, it is now 96 million gallons. So how much below capacity is it? 149.4 minus 96. So that is 53.4 gallons below capacity. So from the options, the closest answer is 53. Let's go to the next one. This one. Okay, the right answer for this question is option D. So a glass was filled with 10 ounces of water and 0.02 ounce of the water evaporated each day during a 20-day period. So each day, the amount of water that evaporated was 0.02 ounce. So over 20 days, the amount of water that evaporated is 20 times 0.02, which is 0.4 ounce, right? So what percentage of the original amount of water evaporated during this period? So out of 10 ounces, the total 10 ounces, a total of 0.4 ounces evaporated over the 20-day period. So to find the percentage, we'll simply multiply this by 100. So that's 4%. 4% of the water evaporated. Next question. So the right answer for this question is option B. So let's say I have a cube here, right? And the length of the cube, edge length is L. So the surface area will be 6 times L squared, right? Because I have one face is L squared and there are 6 such faces. Now I have another cube. This is a bigger cube where the length is now 1.5 L because it has been increased by 50%. So what will be the new surface area? It would be 6 times 1.5 L the whole squared, which is 6 times 2.25 L squared, right? So I've gone from 6L squared to 6 times 2.25 L squared. So what is the percentage increase in surface area? That will be 6 times 2.25 L squared minus 6L squared divided by 6L squared multiplied by 100, because final minus initial by initial. So that will be the 6's and the L square will cancel. So it will be 1.25 into 100. So that's 125%. So the increase in the surface area would be 125%. Hope this exercise helped. If it did, hit like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.